It's air filter day. So this is a quick video for those of you that have the Z3, BMW Z3 with the inline-six. So if you've never done maintenance and this is your first time or a new owner of a Z3, these are really easy things you can learn quickly and do at home. Interesting story, when I bought my Z3, of course it was used in very good shape, but needed some maintenance, and I'll get into that in a video and go through all the different maintenance I've done to it. My Z3 had a complete Carfax history in reputable places with good maintenance. So something that really baffles the mind is the filter, the air filter that was in it. When I went to check it, of course I replaced it when I purchased the car. I did a lot of maintenance. This is the air filter that was in the car. Now let me show you something. This is a new one. Yeah, of course there's different brands. There's Hengst, Man, there's good quality brands. But you know, this is a new filter. This is what it looks like. This is the filter I pulled out of the car. This filter, I'm going to show you the date. Right here on this little corner. Hopefully you can see that. That says 1999. This is the original filter that came out of the factory on this car. The BMW, here's the BMW logo. 18/02/1999. So I guess they never changed the air filter on it. Anyway, it's just an interesting story. Let me show you how to replace your air filter. Alright, so you're going to see two clips, one here and one here. And you're just going to press on them. Probably grab the middle, push one at a time. And this whole assembly slides out. So when you're replacing your filter, you take the old one out and slide the new one back in. And just press it in, make sure it sits properly inside the frame. And slide it back in. Watch your pipe here for the cooling system, and then press it in place. It should click. There you go. It's that easy. So I change my air filter on the Z3 every other oil change, and I do oil changes every 5,000 miles. So here's I usually stay with Hengst or Man. The Man filter is C25-114-1. That fits the Z3 with the inline-six, the M52TU or M52. And then on the Hengst, what's the number on this? E173L. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.